Unconfirmed reports from Brazil say the body of a man found in a burnt-out car in a Rio suburb has been identified as being the Greek ambassador to the country. Globo TV has also reported that investigators suspect he was murdered at the behest of his wife and a police officer with whom she was having an affair. Kyriakos Amiridis had been missing since Monday night. His wife and the policeman are said to be in custody. Police in Rio told reporters the body found inside the car rented by the ambassador was being examined. We're investigating everything: images, the license plate, the airline ticket, information about consumption, where he spent time, where he ate. All of that is being investigated very carefully. The Greek government in Athens had no comment on the case throughout Friday. Amiridis had previously served as consul general in Rio. His last post before becoming ambassador to Brazil this year was as Greece's top diplomat to Libya. The neighbourhood where the car was found is reportedly dominated by armed groups who often extort residents and curry favour with politicians.